Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Shengshao Mirror Cube and the Qiyi Speed pyraminx. So I'm going to open the pyraminx first. Instructions, I don't need that. And here is the pyraminx. It turns kind of well, and it's pretty good. And I'm not going to do a solve because it took me forever last time I tried to solve a pyraminx. So now we're gonna unbox the mirror cube. And you can see some of it right there. This is, instead of a color puzzle, a shape-shifting puzzle. So yeah, it shapeshifts. Let's try out some first turns. Hang on, it's a pretty good cube. And I'm not going to do a solve on this either because I barely know how to solve a 3x3, and that's basically what this is. So yeah, it mixes up into weird ways. And that was an unboxing of these two things because I've been waiting forever for them because packages take forever. But pyraminx is a good starter Rubik's Cube. And this one is, I just wanted it because it's cool. Oh yeah, and my 2x2 broke, which is fun. Now it's more like one of those weird sliding puzzles. And that's what it looks like, and this is what the piece looks like. It's a 1x1. Yeah, so this is the whole video.